Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you are having a great day. In this video, I will show you how to add a 360 product image viewer in Wix Editor or Wix Studio in the Store app. So we are going to add a 360 image viewer for this shoe right here. Uh, the app or plugin you will need for this is the 360 image viewer. This is a plugin I made for uh, Wix Store, and you can find it in the plugin section, or you can install it from the Wix app market. The app market is much better because there you can easily search it. Here I have to browse a lot. So right here we have the 360 product image viewer. I will drop the link in the description. Just click on add and it will add the plugin in your product page. Okay, so this is where we will show the 360 image viewer. The location of the viewer might be different depending on whether you are working on Wix Studio or the Wix Editor. Once you have installed the plugin, click on Add 360 Image. Now, you don't need any fancy frames or 3D models or anything like that. You can convert simple 360 videos into full image frames. So there are some great AI tools out there which can take your image frames. Like you can take multiple photos of your product, and those AI tools can easily convert them into full 360 video. Or you can create the videos yourself. Just place your product on a rotatable surface and create a full 360 rotation video. There are a lot of tutorials online for that as well. So right here we have the product, the shoes. All right. Um, Click on add 360 degree and this will open a pop-up. Now this is where you need to add your video of 360 rotation. So I have already created a video. This is created using the AI. So you can see that this video right here is created using the AI tools. After that, you need to set the number of frames. Now, higher the number of frames, smoother will be the rotation. But um, too high would compromise your performance. So I recommend anywhere between 60 or 90. So I'm gonna go with 90 for this one because the video quality is low. Um, and in the quality, you have to set it to high or medium. After you have done that, click on extract frames. Now this will automatically extract the frames of the 360 video. So everything is done in the app itself. I have made sure that you don't have to, pay extra for any other services or, create or spend a lot of time. Every heavy work is done within the app itself. After the frames are generated, click on Upload to Media Manager, and this will automatically upload all your frame images in your media folders. Okay, so the app itself creates the folder for your product um, using the product name, and then add all the frame images inside it. So it's a well organized assembly of the folder itself. You can go anytime in your products media manager and replace or upload different images. You might also notice that the upload rate is a little slow. That's because um, if we upload a lot of images at one time, this might result in timeout in the backend. So that's an issue. That is why I have kept the upload process one image at a time. You can, in the meantime, go to any other tab and continue your work. Let the image upload. This function is handled by your website's backend, so you don't have to worry about it at all. So all your images, the frames are now uploaded. Just go to your website and publish it. One thing I should notify here is that the 360 image will not be visible in the editor. That's because it will take a lot of RAM to upload, load, 60 to 90 images. That is why I have kept it disabled in the editor. But you should see it on the live website without any issue. So let's go to our live website and see if we have the 360 images there. All right, so you can see that we now have a 360 image viewer right here. You can drag it like this, or you can auto rotate the images as well. This is the reset view, and you can make it full screen as well to view the product better. Apart from this, there are some settings as well. Like you can go to 360 viewer settings here. You can change the drag sensitivity and auto rotate speed using these sliders. The colors are disabled in the free plan. You can show or hide the frame numbers. So right now there are no frame numbers here, but if you want, you can show them using this drop down. You can also change the title of your viewer. So right now it says 360 product view. You can name it anything. Okay, so this depends on the number of frames you have. But yeah, this is how you can easily add 360 product views. You can either use the AI, you can hire a photographer, or do it yourself at home using any DIY built-in rotatable platform in your product. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.